Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you could insert a sticky note in your documents and pages and notebooks on Goodnotes. So let us dive into this. So let me create a new page for that document here. So that blank page here. So what you want to do is navigate to the toolbar here at the top and you will see the sticky note feature here. Or you may use the shortcut C. If you don't see it for some reason, guys, it may be because you have maybe accidentally removed it from that toolbar. So to customize your toolbar, click into these three dots in the top right, navigate to toolbar customization. And here, make sure that the sticky notes tool is enabled. If it's not enabled or hidden, click into that plus button to add it to your toolbar. Click into it, select the color of your sticky note, and then position it with your left mouse here. Insert text. Excuse the typo here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.